I'm really excited to make this video, this Kitchen Tech Talks featuring a pillow, because this is a video on TypeScript. And this is actually the most commonly asked question on TypeScript architecture. And that is what's the need for TypeScript? A lot of people who come from just a regular linting background think of TypeScript initially or intuitively as something which doesn't bring a whole lot of benefit. It's more like nice practices. But when it comes to actual architecture, making a difference in the actual application, it doesn't do a whole lot. And I love this question because it's a very eye-opening moment when it comes to just software in general, not just front-end development. But what TypeScript, the value of it is, imagine the following scenario. You have a user interface that has a name, colon, string, semicolon. And inside of this interface, the data object that inside of the user, or let's say, we have name, is just a regular name or employee name. This was initially an internal project. And now employee name, colon, string, is going to change to just name, colon, string, because now this is opening up to everybody. But we've already have 30 files, let's say, that are currently using the user object. And now we want to make sure that they're all pulling in data the right way. Well, how can we do that? We can use TypeScript, our compiler. So now if we go into our interface and we change the employee name key value to name key value, then we're able to now determine in which places is the data not being properly pulled in. And I've seen this in real time. I've done this myself. And it's the number one selling point when it comes to TypeScript, which is that you end up having 30 files in the compiler that say you're pulling this in wrong. You're doing a return user.employee name instead of user.name. And that is the greatest benefit of TypeScript. It lets you know that all your data everywhere is being pulled in the right way. And I'm super passionate about this because if you architect your interfaces correct, wherein you have a single interface being used for your state management, being used for your services, being used for your unit tests, then not only are you making sure your application is being used the right way, but the data that you're being pulled in, the data that's you're pulling from the server, and then also the data within your unit tests, as well as your mocks, are all the correct fashion. So that's the single greatest aspect of TypeScript. And I really just wanted to make a video about that, and I really hope you enjoy. Until next time.